In today's video, I'm going to show you an honest review of Otter.ai, a powerful transcription and meeting assistant that can feel like having a clone to take notes for you. Whether you're in business, education, or content creation, this tool is designed to save you hours each week by handling your note-taking and meeting organization automatically. Otter.ai captures conversations in real time, recording, transcribing, summarizing, and organizing everything from meetings and interviews to lectures and brainstorming sessions. It works seamlessly with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, displaying the transcription live as people speak. Even more impressive, the new AI meeting assistant can join meetings for you, record the call, capture slides, and generate a clean summary with key action items even if you're not present. After the meeting, you can interact with Otter just like you would with ChatGPT. You can ask it what the action items were, who said what, or even have it draft follow-up emails for you. Otter now supports English, Spanish, and French, making it more accessible for global users. It integrates with tools like Google Calendar, Slack, and Zoom to help automate scheduling and transcription for business teams, HR, sales, managers, and more. Students and educators can also benefit by transcribing lectures instantly for later review, while interviewers get clean, ready to use transcript. The free plan includes 300 minutes per month and a few imported recordings, while paid plans unlock advanced features like longer meetings, automated summaries, and more integrations. At its core, Otter.ai isn't just a transcription app, it's like having a second brain in every meeting, helping you stay organized, focused, and productive. Thank you for watching this video.